Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI, and I recently switched to feeding my fur babies with this automatic cat feeder for 2 cats from ROJECO. I honestly wish I had made the switch a lot sooner. This feeder has so many great features. It was simple to set up and it holds up to 4 liters of cat food. There are 2 bowls, one for each of my cats. It plugs into an outlet and even has a spot for batteries just in case the power goes out. The feeder hooks up to an app which is available for both iOS and Android. In the app, you can set up a feeding schedule for your cats, and this is really great because it ensures that your cats don't overeat. I love that this feeder is detachable so that I can clean it really well. Everything except the base can be cleaned with water, so that's a huge benefit. I've also noticed that this feeder does not clog. It is best when used with dry food, size 4 to 12 millimeter. This is the size of my cat food and it moves through the feeder really well. Finally, the best part of having an automatic cat feeder is that if I go away on vacation, I no longer have to leave out huge bowls of food. I can set up their whole feeding schedule right here in the palm of my hand. This automatic feeder for 2 cats from ROJECO has been a huge upgrade for me and my fur babies. And that's my point of view.